As we continue making our way throughout the house, we come to the kitchen. Kitchen in Garifuna is Gusina. Gusina. In the kitchen, we have kitchen sink. Kitchen sink in Garifuna is Lachibagule Asiedu. Lachibagule Asiedu. Lachibagule comes from verb Achibaha. Achibaha, which means to wash. And Asiedu is the Garifuna word for plate. Next, we have stove. Stove in Garifuna is Abouguwagulei. Abougwagulei. And this word comes from the verb Abougua. Abougua, which means to cook. And Eigini means food. Next, we have microwave. Microwave in Garifuna is Labacharagule, Eigini. Labacharagule, Eigini. And this comes from the verb Abachara, which means to warm up. And next we have broom. Broom in Garifuna is Abuidagulei. Abuidagulei. And it comes from the verb Abuidaha, which means to sweep. Abuidaha. Next we have garbage can. Garbage can in Garifuna is Abarahagulei. Abarahagulei. And it comes from the verb Abaraha, which means to throw away.